guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got back from a trip from Greece, and during that time I drank so many Greek Freddo Cappuccinos. This has become one of my all-time favorite coffee drinks, and I knew when I came back that I had to figure out how to create this at home. This drink combines a delicious strong espresso with some frothy creamy milk on top. The milk is really the star of the show, and it's what makes this Freddo Cappuccino so delicious and unique. I hope that you love this recipe just as much as I do. If you're looking for more coffee recipes, I have tons of other coffee videos, including some YouTube shorts on my channel, so I'll link those above so you can check those out. Alright, now let's get into the video. You can't beat a coffee drink that only has 3 ingredients, including 2 shots of freshly brewed espresso, granulated sugar, and non-fat milk. For this recipe, I'm using my Nespresso machine to make the espresso, but you can use a mocha pot, a French press, any way that you prefer to make espresso. 2 shots should yield about 4 ounces, and make sure that your espresso is nice and strong. While the coffee is still hot, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. This gives you about a medium sweetness for the coffee. Feel free to add less or more depending on your personal taste. Next, it's time to make the cold foam. You'll need to add 1/4 cup of non-fat skim milk to a glass or a jar. Hand froth the milk for about 60 seconds until it's super glossy and smooth. In Greece, they had a really cool drink machine that made this foam, so our foam isn't exactly the same as it would be at a coffee shop in Greece, but it's close enough and we gotta work with the equipment that we have. To the coffee, add a couple ice cubes. The coffee has had a little bit of time to cool down while we were making the cold foam. And then you can add the cold foam on top. Make sure to do it gently as we want that nice layer on top of the coffee. I mean, come on, look how beautiful this drink is. You can stir it all together to drink, and I hope that you enjoy it just as much as I do. The full recipe will be linked in the description below.